ang una kong tanong from James. James, since dumating kami dito, yung book ninyo, yung page 57, tingnan na lang, Mr. Taliman. Ingit na ingit siya sa abs mo. You think kung paano niya suggestion mo dyan, hindi lang mo abs.
Sorry po.
Do you think paano niya yung mga suggestion mo on how you were able to acquire abs?
Definitely, yes, that's exactly how
What's his age?
Anything's possible. With hard work and determination. But yes, definitely the tips I gave will definitely help you get those abs.
Pero gusto kong malaman, seriously, doon sa kinita ng libro ito, how about ang percentage na yung dalawa?
That is, I don't know. I think that's...
Kasi, lalo na, sabi nga ni Rose, naka 100,000 copies na kayong naipagbigay. Itinimes na namin yan sa 295. Naku, pwede siguro sagutin ni Ian. Ano yan?
Kung magkano ang first royalty, tanong natin ang mga sa gabi ba? Hindi ko yung masasagutin na pero siniswelan siguro.
10% lang.
Potential daw tita Ethel, syempre, sabi ni Belen.
Sa kanila.
May follow-up siya.
For the two of you, palagay nyo, what makes your love team different from the other love team? Except na dito sa love team nyo, nauna ang pangalan ni Jay, Jadine. Yung iba, sina Katnier, at saka sina Liz Ken, ay nauna ang mga pangalan ng babae. And why would you say na you are the most popular these days?
How can we say we're the most popular? Are we the most popular? Well, I guess that's up to the people. That's up to the people to decide. I can't say we're the best or we're better, but I can say we try our best. Well, thank you.
Galing na ni James Magal siya. Basta sa amin, you're the best.
Okay,
You're the
thank you.
hottest. Next question natin, Laika. Kaya bukas.
Patanong ako, aren't you afraid of losing privacy by releasing this kind of book? The two of you?
Losing privacy?
Yeah.
That's a book.
Hindi daw ba kayo takot mawala yung privacy by releasing such a book? Tell-all book.
Actually, as of now, I mean, even before the book, wala naman kaming privacy, so I guess this is really, some juicy details and where what do you call it? We really expound on the love story. There's a chapter 8 or chapter 8. Yeah, we go into details about the love story that we've never told. Even I've never heard until I read it from Nadine's mouth.
Kung sakasakaling hindi maging maganda ang ending ng inyong relasyon, magiging isasama pa rin ba kaya yun sa book o gagawan pa rin ng libro? O hindi na definitely?
Parang ang hirap naman po ng but, syempre, kung hindi maganda yung naging ending, di ba? Parang, gusto bang basahin ng tao yun?
Pwede.
Well, oo nga naman. Pero, huwag na po siguro.
Sabi niyo makakaptil ka yata. Joke lang. Si Rachel lang sa question.
Thank you. Hi, Jane. And then, siguro, reaction lang from Jane. dun sa sinabi ni Nadine sa book na she first realized na she had feelings for you nung nirecline mo yung chair niya habang natutulog siya sa isang sitwasyon. Ano yung reaction mo?
Actually, nagulat ako dun kasi I always ask Nadine, like, you had a crush on me before, right? She goes, no, never. And I was like, I don't believe you. She says, I never had a crush on you. Never, ever, never, never, never. And then she put it in the book, so I was shocked. I was surprised. And I was right.
So, ikaw ba Nadine, may ganun ka ba conscious effort na parang, nako, huwag kang masyadong, magkape ka naman, James, parang ka masyadong feeling para hindi niya ma-feel na meron ka na pa ng growing feelings sa kanya before.
Sorry?
For Nadine naman, sinasadya mo ba yun na magpanggap na kunwari wala kang feelings para hindi mahalata ni James?
But for me, mahirap po kasi yung ganun eh. So, kung ano nararamdaman mo, parang ako po, nilalabas ko lang. Ang mahirap magpigil eh. Mas obvious po pag nagpipigil ako. Promise.
Pero ikaw ganun ka talaga na parang yung mga typical girls, yung mga the little things that make you fall for
Opo, yeah. It's always the little things.
Tapos siguro, ano din, question about kay Nadine pa din. Ano namang feeling mo doon sa sinabi ni James na it was the friction or the tension between the two of you that made him realize na, pero mahal ko pala talaga ito si Nadine and hindi lang friendship yung gusto ko.
Well, I think it's true kasi kung hindi naman po kami talaga yung night, yung nung premiere night naman po yun. Kung di naman po nangyari yun, I mean, wala. Hindi ko rin ma-realize. So, I guess, yeah, tama po.
So ikaw, anong reaction mo na kailangan pang mag-away kayo? What was your reaction? How do you feel, James, that kailangan pang magkaroon ng ganun na friction for you guys to realize your feelings?
Love works in mysterious ways. I never would have, it was, at the start, I never would have imagined that this would happen. And yeah, sometimes that's just how it works. I mean, you don't get to choose who you love. It just happens.
And then, siguro now that you've been together to a lot of places, so you've had more time to bond, siguro can you describe na lang kung ano yung status ng relationship ninyo ngayon? Like, how close you are now or how open to each other?
Well, before anything else, best friend ko siya. So, I mean, yeah, we still act like, friends, except, of course, we're in love.
Hear that, kiss now. How about with Nadine?
Well, yeah, same. Kasi matagal naman nga din po kaming friends. So parang, we still act silly, with each other, nag-jokes and all that, mga funny na jokes, play computer games, like what normal friends would do. Same pa rin naman po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rachel. Oo, pagod pa sila, no? Ngarag na ngarag pa yung dalawa na yan. Kaya naman kayo dumating? Kailan kayo dumating, darling?
16 po.
16. Pero syempre, sa tenor nila, Pagoda Philippines pa sila nila. Kaya naman maasim, ano ka ba? Anyone else has a question? Kasi kung wala na po,